Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the app and locating settings. Update Toca Boca, close background apps, then open it. Once the home screen appears, tap the gear icon or your profile to open settings. This puts you directly into controls. Make sure you are on the correct device profile. If not, switch now. This first step is essential because changes apply per profile. Once you're in settings, you'll be ready to find motion controls and make adjustments without losing progress or causing unexpected resets. Next, navigate to the Accessibility or Display subsection. You'll see labels like Motion, Camera Shake, or Parallax. Tap each toggle to turn them off. Do it one at a time and watch the preview or return to gameplay to confirm the visual change. This helps you understand what each option controls. If the app groups motion into a single master switch, disable that instead. Once done, the interface will reduce movement and camera shifts, which decreases motion sickness and stabilizes visuals for steady play. Finish by saving changes and restarting the app to ensure settings stick. If you find the motion options revert or don't appear, force close Toca Boca, then relaunch. Make sure permissions are granted. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. This resets corrupted preference files. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Record your device model and app version before contacting support because that speeds up fixes. And finally, test a short gameplay session to confirm the motion is satisfactorily reduced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.